Let's do some very simple MCQs, and this is a multiple choice question. They are going to be very easy. Let's see this. It says that in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 2 centimeter, AC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. That means all the three sides of this triangle ABC is given. They say further, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is similar to that triangle DEF. And for that triangle DEF, we have EF given as 4 centimeter. What is the perimeter of triangle DEF? Now we know that if we want perimeter of triangle DEF, we should know all the three sides. Only one side is known, EF. That means we should find the remaining two sides. We should find DE, we should find DF. Now that's a very easy one. We know that both the triangles are similar. When they are similar, we know that all the three ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. That means we are saying that DE upon AB is equal to EF upon BC is equal to DF upon AC, and the reason is CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. We need not write all the steps, only for your understanding. In the examination, you just need to write the correct answer, right? Now let's substitute the values. Now all the values which are known to us, which are given to us, we just substitute and we end up getting this, right? Now we can find DE, right? We can take the first and the second ratio equal. So we write DE upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 2. So D is equal to 4 into 3 upon 2. Do the cancellation. It is 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 2 into 3 is nothing but 6 centimeter. We got the value of DE. Same way, we can take the second and the third ratio equal so that we get the value of DF. So now we keep DF on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So we get DF is equal to 4 into 2.5 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 into 2.5 is 5 centimeter. We got all the three sides now. Right, one side was known, the remaining two. Now can we find perimeter of triangle DF? Yes. So we say perimeter of triangle DF is equal to D plus EF plus DF. That is nothing but 6 plus 4 plus 5. That is 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. That means we get the value as 15 centimeter. So which one is the correct option? The correct option is C. Was that easy? Very easy, right? Let's see the next one. The next one says that the sides of two similar triangles are 4:9. What is the ratio of their areas? Now we are talking about two triangles which are similar, and we are talking about the ratio of their areas. Triangles are similar, ratio of the areas. There is only one theorem, that is theorem of areas of similar triangles. So as per that, we know area upon area is equal to side square upon side square. So let's write it as A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Now here we don't have the value of S1 and S2 given separately, but we have the ratio of that. So S1 square upon S2 square can be further written as S1 upon S2 the whole square, isn't it? The reason is the same, right? Now just use that. So A1 upon A2, we need to find, keep it as it is, S1 upon S2 is known as 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 the whole square, and 4 upon 9 the whole square. 4 square is 16, 9 square is 81. That means the ratio of the areas is 16 is to 81. And which one is that? That is D. So option D is the correct one. Wasn't that easy? Very simple sums there, right? Let's see the next one. They say that areas of two similar triangles are 18 centimeter square and 32 centimeter square. So for two triangles which are similar, we have the areas given. And they say what is the ratio of the corresponding sides? Again, a very simple sum based on theorem on areas of similar triangles. So we say A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. We have the value of areas given, and we need to find S1 square is to S2 square, right? The ratio of the corresponding side. That means we want S1 is to S2, right? The reason we know areas of similar triangles, just substitute the value A1 upon A2. We know it is 18 upon 32 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Now we can do the cancellation there on the left hand side. Both are divisible, right? Both are divisible by 2. So it is 2 9s and 2 16s. So what do we get is S1 square upon S2 square is equal to 9 upon 16. But we want S1 upon S2. So we take square root on both sides. So square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4. That means now we get the ratio of the corresponding sides is 3:4. And that means our option number A, that is the correct one. So easy the sums are, right? Let's see the next one. It says that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, CA is equal to 10 centimeter. That means for this triangle ABC, all the three sides are given. And they say QR, for the next triangle, QR is given as 6 centimeter. What is the length of side PR? Okay, it's again a very simple sum. Two triangles ABC and PQR are similar. That means we know that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, all the three. We can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Let's substitute the value of what we know. When we substitute, we get this. Now what do we want? We want the value of PR. So for that we can take the second and the third ratio equal, right? 8 upon 6 is equal to 10 upon PR. Cross multiply, take PR onto the left hand side there in the numerator, right? Everything else come on the other side. So PR goes there, 10 is here, 6 comes in the numerator, 8 goes in the denominator. That means we'll say PR is equal to 10 into 6 upon 8. Do the cancellation. 2 4s are, then we get 2 5s are, again do the cancellation, right? 4 and 6. So it is nothing but 2 2s are and 2 3s are. What we get is 5 into 3. How much is that? 15. And 15 upon 2 is nothing but 7.5. That means we get PR is 7.5, which is option number D. That's the correct one. So simple, right? Let's do the next one. It says that in triangle XYZ, ray YM is a bisector of angle XYZ, where XY is equal to YZ and X dash M dash Z. Then which of the relation is true? Now let's try and understand this. In this they say that there is a YM is a bisector. So if YM is a bisector, we can use property of angle bisector of a triangle. So we use that property of angle bisector of a triangle here, right? Because M is a bisector. So we can say, yes, we can say YX upon YZ is equal to XM upon MZ. So that is what you write, right? Property of angle bisector of a triangle. But one thing we know in the sum that XY and YZ both are equal. So instead of XY, can we write YZ? Yes, we wrote reason is because XY is equal to YZ. Now YZ upon YZ gets cancelled. What do we get? 1. So we get 1 is equal to XM upon MZ. Just cross multiply. So what do we get? We get MZ and XM. They are equal. So which one is the correct one here? XM equal to MZ. Which one? That's the first option. That's the correct one. So option A is correct. Easy, very easy, right? Let's do some very simple MCQs. They're going to be very interesting and very, very easy. Let's see that. In the sum, they say that in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, AC is equal to 10 centimeter. All the three sides given. Triangle ABC is enlarged to triangle PQR. Now that triangle is enlarged. Now remember, when I'm saying that it is enlarged, the shape remains the same. Only the size differ. That means they are similar. Remember that. That's given to us. Such that the largest side is 12.5 centimeter given to us. Right? What is the length of the smallest side of triangle PQR? That is what we need to find. Now when we know that both the triangles are similar, that means all the three ratios are equal. That we can write. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And we know the reason. It is CSST. Now we can substitute the value. Right? Now value of AB, value of BC and value of AC is given. But which is the largest one? Now we know that in this, when you look at that, in triangle ABC, if you look, largest side is AC and AC, its corresponding side is PR. That means PR is given as 12.5. And they're saying find the smallest side. Smallest side, which one is the smallest side? The smallest side in triangle ABC is nothing but AB. That means its corresponding side is PQ. That is what we need to find. So just substitute those values which we know. And once we substitute, this is what we end up getting. Now what we need to find is only the smallest side that we can find, that is PQ. So take the first and the last ratio equal. So we write 6 upon PQ is equal to 10 upon 12.5. That means now keep PQ on one side, take the numbers on the other side. So you'll get 6 into 12.5 upon 10. If you multiply the numerator, you get 75. 75 upon 10 is nothing but 7.5. So which is the correct option? A. And that's the easier one. Very easy, right? Very simple this was. Do the calculation carefully, right? Now, let's see the next one. It says that in triangle ABC, B dash D dash C, BD is equal to 6 centimeter, DC is equal to 4 centimeter. What is the ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle ACD? This is what we have. We have a triangle ABC where D is between B and C, and they have given you the value of BD as 6, the value of DC as 4. And one thing is very clear. If this is 6 and this is 4, we know that the value of BC is how much? 10. Remember that part, very important. What it says is, we want the ratio of two triangles here. One is triangle ABC, the bigger one. And for bigger one, what's the base? BC. And how much is that? 10. Remember that. And ACD, for that, what's the base? 4. Now, why am I saying this? Here we are talking about areas of these two triangles. And if you look at these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ACD, they will have equal height. You know why? Because they have a common vertex. And their bases are on the same line. So we write that statement. Triangles have a common vertex, they're based on the same line, therefore the heights are equal. Do write that. And therefore we say that area of this triangles, the ratio of the areas of this two triangles will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ACD is equal to, for ABC the base is BC and for ACD the base is CD. That means it is 10 upon 4. Do the cancellation there, reduce it, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. That means we get the value there as 5 upon 2, and the correct option is B. What's that? Easy, very easy, right? Let's do a very simple one. This is going to be very interesting. Let's see this. It says that in triangle XYZ, PQ is parallel to YZ. That means there is a triangle where you have a line parallel to a side, and the betweenness of these points are given. P is such that it is between X and Y, Q is between X and Z. And there's a value of XP upon PY given, 4 upon 13, and XQ is given as 4.8. What is the value of XZ we need to find, right? So here, what we are going to use is, we are going to use basic proportionality theorem, because we have a line parallel to a side. So according to that, what will we get? XP upon PY is equal to XQ upon QZ. We write that, right? Reason is basic proportionality theorem. Substitute the value. Now we want the value of QZ to take QZ on one side, on the left, and take the numbers on the other side. So we'll get QZ is equal to 4.8 into 13 upon 4. Now, remove the decimal in the numerator. So multiply by 10 in the numerator, also in the denominator. When we multiply by 10 in the numerator, 4.8 into 10 will become 48, right? Now the decimals are gone. Cancel 48 and 4. 4 1s are 4 12s are. So 12 into 13, how much is that? 156. That means we get QZ is equal to 156 upon 10. How much is that? 15.6 centimeter. So we got, so that means option A is correct? No, don't get confused. He asked you find XZ. So what is XZ? XZ is XQ plus QZ, that is nothing but 15.6 plus 4.8, and when we do that we get 20.4. The value of XZ is 20.4. That means option B is the correct one. This is very important, right? Observe. Next one, let's do the next one. It says that in triangle ABC, P is a point on side BC. That means we have a triangle where P is a point on that side BC. Says that BP is given as 4 and PC is given as 7. So if BP is 4 and PC is 7, that means how much is BC? We know BC is 11. Remember that. And they're asking us area of triangle APC upon area of triangle ABC, right? That is why we wanted BC. We know 11. APC, for that the base is 7, right? Now let's do this. That means here we know for these two triangles we are going to use the properties, and for those properties we know in these triangles they have a common vertex and they're based on the same line. That means we know that the heights are equal. So we just need to write triangle APC and triangle ABC have a common vertex A and their bases PC and BC lie on the same line. Therefore the heights are equal. So now area upon area will be equal to base upon base. So area of triangle APC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to PC upon BC. PC is how much? 7. BC is how much? 11, right? So 7 upon 11, because it is 4 plus 7. That means you get it as 7 upon 11. So which one is the correct one? The correct one is option B. That's the correct one. Was that easy? Very easy, right?